Hello, today we will be reviewing how to add a new customer to the system. There are two ways to add a player. You can click on the add button on the tee time or double click the time slot. You will then see a window pop up appear. Because this is a new player, you will want to click the green plus button. The add customer window will appear from there, and you will enter the first name, last name, and any other information available. One side note, if your course requires the first player or all 4 players to have an email and phone number, you will want to add this information when adding a new player. Trust me, it will save you time down the road. To find out if your club has required information for players, you can go to the settings option on the top right and then choose the tee sheet settings on the left and view from here. You will see, for time's sake, I have populated this information. Below the address information, you will then see the class drop-down options. This information will be populated by any information or class options at initial setup. You then will see the notes option. This option allows you to make a very customizable experience for your players. Let's say they have a particular cigar brand or brand of ball that they enjoy using. You can place those notes there, and next time they come, you'll already have that information. You will also see a locker number option or a bag rack number if this applies to the type of course you are at. Once you hit save, you will now have the option to choose from the additional tabs along the top section of the Add Customer screen. These tab options will be reviewed in a future lesson. Thanks, and now you know how to add a new customer.